Hi everyone, I'm at Hobby Lobby and some of the floral is 75% off. So we have this gold and silver trim for $1.50. This is kind of cool looking. It's 99 cents and they're just some like clear white kind of leaves. We have these little burlap bows for 99 cents. This like little wheat twiggy thing is 99 cents. There's some more up there that looks more probably like the wheat for 99 cents. And those are some like rosebuds for 99 cents. These red flowers are $1.24. These little burlap flowers are 74 cents for each one. And then there are some succulents down here that are 99 cents. So that's what that one looks like. And then this one over here is 74 cents. They have these large pink bows right here for $1.74. And then the cream one is actually $2.49. They look about the same, so I don't know why they're different price. And then if you need some rose petals, those are $3.24. Honestly, I like it because there's lace in here, so I'm kind of tempted to buy this one, but then what would I do with the rest of the white ones? And then there's this one that has like burlap and it's a different kind of lace. I like the white one much more with the white, and that is $3.24 as well. Then over here we have some wedding book stuff. That's $7.49. The pin is $3.24. A garter set is $3.24. Oh, they have different ones. That's like a blue. That's actually kind of cute. And let's see, there's just more sets down here. So like the burlap over here, that pillow is $4.99. The basket is $6.49. The book of the burlap is $7.49. The pen is $3.74. Oh, look down here on the bottom, they have here comes the bride basket for $4.99. And then I just seen that they have silver rose petals right there for $2.49. This love sign is $1.99. Then they have these white flowers and the pink ones. Those are only 49 cents each. Oh, look, I had originally missed these. These are 49 cents and you get 2 roses. They're kind of large, but it can definitely be used for crafting. So a lot of the floral ribbon is actually on clearance right now as well. She's still marking it down, but honestly, I don't need any more ribbon. I don't need any more of anything, honestly. Oh, look, these large bows over here are $1.99. There's some like flower thing right here. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's 99 cents. It says cream 7-inch center. I don't know what that's for. Oh, look, there's some mesh over here as well. So the feathers here have not been marked down yet on the label, but if you look right here on the display label, it has a D on there, so that means that this will be discontinued really soon. So they should be marking this down next, so you can always get an idea of what will be available on clearance soon. So yeah, all these feathers have it marked, except for the white one. I don't see the white one yet. Also check the already done florals and succulents, like these are also on clearance as well. Some of these are really cute. I wonder if you could put actual plants in there. I think it would be really cute with actual plants. There are also a couple of frames that are on clearance as well. This one is for $4.49. This one is $3.49. I'm surprised they still have the acrylic pouring paint. These are $1.99. I always scope out the clearance section because you just never know what you'll find. Even if you come 2 days in a row, you'll be amazed that you'll still find something new that was not here the day before. Make sure you walk around the whole store because you will find clearance in the most random places. This is like in the center of one of the aisles on one of the displays, which I would have never stopped to look for clearance here, but here it is. I just happened to be walking the store to see what I could find and found something good. Here's more random clearance on a center display. That big old tackle box is really cool. It is $43. If it was not pink, I would definitely be buying it. Oh, this is in a weird little display too, and it's all also on clearance. Tons of clearance right now. A lot of you have asked me if I've seen the paper on clearance, and I have not. And if you look at all the labels here, none of them have a D on them either. So I don't know if they're going to be doing any clearance this time around. If anybody's seen any, let me know. And then here is the pack of paper storage that I have been searching for about 2 weeks. So it is 13 by 13 envelopes. They are $7.99 and you get 10 in there. So that's a much better deal than if you were to buy single individual ones, which they do sell. They are in color and they are 99 cents. So it's better to get the clear 10 pack.